In this video, we're going to show you to install the low beam bulb on your Volvo XC60 located inside your headlamp. Now with the hood raised, you're going to go ahead and locate these two tabs. There's one here, and these both get pulled up. The same here. Sometimes it helps if you push in on the headlamp a little bit or lean up against it. Pop that up and out. Next step, go ahead and grab that headlamp, and we want to gently wiggle this out, pulling it out of the body. Now once we have the headlamp assembly out of the body, we're going to go ahead and pull this off to the side. Follow the harness down. There's going to be a connector right here, a big bulkhead connector. Now you want to push down on the inside portion and pull out on the front here. When doing so, you want to be careful not to pull on the wires, but you want to pull on the connector. Now sometimes this can be stuck. I like to use a pair of hose pliers here because I can actually grab onto the connector itself. And I'm going to push down and just gently wiggle this. And even then, sometimes that can be stuck. But just gently wiggle it back and forth. And there we have it. Go ahead and take the headlamp assembly and set it up on the cross member here. You want to focus on the back cover. And we're going to go ahead and grab this clip and pull it out. And grab this one and push it away. Grab this cover here on the top and bottom, gently wiggling it out. There is a seal here. Make sure that pops back in there. Now to access your low beam bulb, it's located over here. So you're going to reach in and you're going to grab that bulb and you're going to turn it counterclockwise and then pull it out. Sometimes a pair of hose pliers will actually work pretty well. Reach in there, grab that bulb, twist it counterclockwise, and pull this out. On either side, there's going to be a little tab. You can use your finger to pop that out and do the same over here. Now be careful doing that because you don't want to crack the tab or break it off. So just lift it up and pull that connector out a little bit. It'll stretch a little bit and then go to the other side and do the same over there. And there it is. I'm going to go ahead and grab the connector and install this. This is going to be easier to do it this way. Press it in until you hear it click on both sides. It's easier to install the harness now than install the bulb and then try and hook this because it's just an awkward, deep position in there. Now when this installs, it's going to be vertical and then you're going to twist this counterclockwise for it to lock in. And there are 3 tabs. There's 2 small ones and a large one. The large tab goes on the top. Make sure you're wearing a pair of gloves when you're doing a job like this. You don't want to get any oils from your fingers on the bulbs as that will cause these bulbs to prematurely fail. And that's pretty much with any headlight bulb, these halogen styles. I'm going to grab my pliers and just gently twist this. And there it is, it's locked into place. Go ahead and take your cover. Now when installing this here, you want to pay attention, you get this little adjustment tab right here. So when installing this over underneath this locking bracket, you need to fit the covering over that. So drop that down inside. it is. And then go ahead and snap your clips over. Go ahead and take your headlamp assembly. Go ahead and connect your connector. Push that in, you're going to feel it and hear it engage. Install your headlamp assembly. Now we're going to go ahead and install our retainer clips. Line that up and just tap that down. That's locked in. Now we're going to install the rearward position. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side, and at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.